Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the first part of building our Android Places Saver application using Kotlin. Our goal here is to let users easily search for real-world places using the power of Google Maps right within our app.
See this search bar at the top? This isn't just a standard text box. This is a special component provided by Google called the Autocomplete Support Fragment. It's our gateway to the vast Google Places database. When the user starts typing here, like Paris, magic happens.
Instantly, suggestions pop up. How does our simple app do this? Well, behind the scenes, we've done a couple of crucial setup steps. First, we told our project's build system, Gradle, that we need to include Google's official Places SDK library. Think of it like adding a specialized tool to our toolbox. Second, and very importantly, we configured our unique API key from Google Cloud. This key identifies our app to Google and grants it permission to use the Places service. Without this key, Google wouldn't know who's asking for data. Now, when our main screen, the main activity, first starts up inside its onCreate method, one of the first things it does is initialize this Places SDK, passing in that secret API key. This wakes up the Places functionality for our app session. Next, our code finds that special search bar component, the autocomplete support fragment, within our screen's layout file, activitymain.xml. We need a direct link to it so we can configure it.
We then tell the autocomplete fragment exactly what pieces of information we want back when the user selects a place. We don't need everything Google knows, just specific details. We ask for the place's unique ID, its name, its address, and its geographic coordinates, the latitude and longitude. This is done using set place fields. Now, for the crucial part, how does our app know when the user actually taps on a suggestion? We attach something called a place selection listener. Think of it like setting a doorbell. Our app is now listening, waiting for the user to make a choice.
When the user taps a place from the suggestion list, ding dong, the listener rings, and this special function, on place selected, gets called automatically. And guess what it receives? A neat package of data, a place object containing all those details we asked for earlier: ID, name, address, latitude, longitude. Inside on place selected, our Kotlin code carefully unpacks this place object. We grab the ID, the name, the address, and the coordinates.
With this information extracted, we create our own custom saved place data object. Then, and this is key for the next part of our app, we hand this saved place object over to our view model, telling it to save this place into our local room database. We also show a quick confirmation message, like saved, zrenia.
Of course, things can sometimes go wrong. Maybe there's no internet connection. The listener also has an on-error function to catch any problems during the selection process and let us inform the user or log the issue.
So, from the user's perspective, they type, they see suggestions powered by Google, they tap their choice, get a confirmation, and boom, that place's details are captured by our app. While we haven't fully built the visual list display yet, the data is being prepared for saving right here.
And that's how we leverage the Google Places autocomplete service in our Kotlin app. We've successfully set up the search, configured what data we need, listened for the user's selection, and extracted the details.